Good morning, Stephanie Kemmerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper for July 12th, TGIF. What a week it's been. And I'm looking forward to trading today. Let's start with the SPY. We hit the big 300. Congratulations, SPY. Where did we go from here? Well, we're going to be bullish above 320. You know, it's funny because I always teach my traders the highest probability of making 20 cents is off of a major level, because stocks will go 20 cents at least, then pull back, and then maybe go higher, or pull back and never go higher. So you always want to grab that 20. And guess what? The SPY did exactly that this morning. It went 20 cents and bam, came down. So if we do break above 320, yep, I have my targets for you. Just hold on one second. I messed up there on one of them. All right, so we have 341 cents. Anything underlined in my whisper is underlined because it's a Camarilla or Pivot Boss pivot. These are computers that are programmed to buy and sell at these levels, so they're really key. 301, 301.50, 301.79 is a pivot. All right, so we're going to be bearish below 299.60. That'll be a retracement trade. The first trade is down to the 4 EMA right there. It's going to be support. You can see every time we've gone up, we've retraced. It's amazing. We retrace. So this has been really a support. If we do break below the 4 EMA, look out below. We're probably going to retrace down to the 8. That's the next big support level. Now, we did get a massive print yesterday, 3,299.29. I traded the splash in the Java Pit trading room. If you were in there, I bought those 288 puts, took really good profit. Happy I took my profit because that was the splash. Remember, when we get real-time prints, they usually splash in the opposite direction of the true intended move. So take that as a day trade, but keep in mind, this could be the splash and then attack it on the other side when it breaks above the print, okay? Really the best tip I can give you. Or you can wait. Don't trade the splash. Wait a day or two. I always tell my traders the best trades to take are when you let those prints marinate for a couple days, and then if they test the print level and go above, you go long. If they test the print level, go below, you go short. So best tip of the day. Let's go to the E-minis. So bullish above 3012 and bearish below 3007. That's going to be a retracement trade again. And you know what? I'm just going to put 3000. I want to add a level in here. 3003 20. Because that is the 4 EMA, which I'm seeing right now on this chart. Yep, so we could retrace all the way down there. You always want to take a profit. And then if we break below that, yep, look out below, 2994. I put 42 here. Yeah, that is a pivot, but it's also the 8 EMA. So these are really key levels. Let's go to the Russell. Russell, we're going to be bullish above 155.50. There's a lot of room to the upside if we can break above that. And I'm going to be bearish below 155. That is such a major level. Next, I'm going to go into the Russell futures. Yep, I had a request to do that today. So here you go. I'm going to show you my chart here. Yep. So pretty much I'm using this Camarilla level and this pivot level to get my levels. It's been really tight on the future. So if we break out or break down, there is a good trade for the Russell. So here are my levels. Bullish above 1566, bearish below 1560. Let's go to the QQQs. Going to be bullish above 193.50 and bearish below 192.50 for a retracement trade. All right, let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, oil's been a fantastic trade. Watching that pre-market price action has really given me an edge when it comes to calling out these levels. So hope you guys have been trading it. And here you can see the futures and where the pivot is. What I did was I took the highest volume spikes that we had pre-market, and really that's how I get my levels. So I'm going to be bullish above 60, 70, above this Camarilla, and I'm going to be bearish below 60, below this Camarilla, and I have put those pre-market volume 60.37 to 60.54. So I always want to go bullish above the volume and bearish below the volume. Let's go to the gold futures. All right, let's zoom in on this today. All right, you can see where the pivot is at 14.12.50. So I put bullish above 14.13.75 because the highest volume that we had pre-market was 14.13.60. So I want to clear that on the upside, bearish below 14.05. All right, so now I've shown you all my secrets. Let's go to the major dark pool prints that we've gotten recently. XLP, bullish above 60, bearish below 59.30. We had those massive prints coming in. We do have a lot of earnings coming out, so just be careful right now when it comes to swing trading. GDX, bullish above 26.25 today, bearish below 25.50. We had big sets of prints recently, 25.58 area and 25.87. So use those as key levels. Bank of America, great winner yesterday. Today, bullish above 29.63, bearish below 29.20. We had some prints that came in yesterday, 29.35. And we have 29.13 print from earlier in the week. So watch those levels. All right. So MU also had a lot of pre-market volume this morning. We're going to be bullish above 44.25 and bearish below 43.50 for a retracement trade down to that 4. Snap had a nice nice pre-market volume this morning. Sorry about that. Yeah, 600,000. Yeah, we can't ignore that. This is going to usually move. That's my secret. Pre-market volume, pre-market momentum. And we have nice moves for the day. And it also shows us where the big guys are loaded to buy and sell. And so I can see on my ARCA book, there is a guy loaded to sell at 16.32, 16.38, and 16.45. So watch those levels as we move up and see if they are real or not. A lot of times they do move out of the way. So we're going to be bullish above 16.25, bearish below 15.87. There's certainly a lot of volume this morning. Ford had monster prints yesterday between 10.12 and 10.17, and bam, that thing had a pop this morning. Bullish above 10.37 from here, bearish below 10.12. Target had a nice move off that massive print that we had a couple days ago. We could retrace and retest that print. This could have been the splash. I don't know, but I'm going to be bullish above 87.50 for a retest or bearish below 86.50 for a bigger move down for Target. Let's go to STM. STM had a big print yesterday at 17.60. And we had older prints at 18.14 and 18.30. So we may retest those prints. We'll be bullish above 17.80 and bearish below 17.50. The VIX, the fear, had a big print yesterday. Now, yeah, it's a dangerous vehicle to trade. It decays down the hill. Don't ever hold on to this. This is awful. But we always want to pay attention when big prints on fear happen. So we're going to be bullish on fear if we do go above 23.50. And we'll be bearish on fear if we go below 22.93. That's a key level I'm watching this morning. Facebook, action this morning. I know they don't like their crypto. It doesn't matter. Pre-market volume, let's just trade this. Bullish above 201 and bearish below 199.60. There you have it. Those are your whispers for today. I will be teaching Bootcamp on Monday. I'm so excited. I only teach this class 4 times a year. It's all live trading, 50 hours. And I teach day trading, swing trading. I teach everything. And I will be teaching my students how to do the daily whispers of the day. All right, so if they're not good next week, it's not my fault. No, I'm just kidding. I will be showing them how to do it, and that's the best thing I can do, is teach you what I do. If I go on vacation, these guys will know what to do. They'll be able to find their own whispers and trade it. So if you still want to join me for boot camp, we have 2 days left to register. That's it. We cut it off on Sunday evening. Go to the darkpools.com, search for Bootcamp, and you can sign up online. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.